Cajun muddy water. Yeah, hey, hey, hey. Bob's Cajun muddy water. Louisiana flavor. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bob's Cajun muddy water. In my coupe. One sip down, now we turning up. Straight from the bayou, that's what's up. You know that flavor, throw your drink up. Bob's Cajun muddy water, so cold. Real southern recipe, smooth and bold. From the backyard, cook out to the club at night. Everybody grab one, yeah, the vibe feel right. Pulled up fresh with the cooler pack. Everybody asking where you get that at. I said it's the bayou, and the bottle can't fake this taste. One sip got the whole crowd picking up the pace. Cucumber cool with a lemon twist. Pineapple finish that you can't resist. Grandma's roof with a brand new wave. Southern made drink that'll make you crave. If you're from the south, let me hear you shout. If you're in the club, let me hear you shout. From the city lights, LA to the country road, Humble. Everybody in the center circle, rocking with the flavor we know. Bob's Cajun muddy water in my coupe. One sip down, now we turning up. Straight from the bayou, that's what's up. If you know that flavor, throw your drink up.